In an IELTS test, if asked to describe a good decision that you made recently, how would you say the answer? This is Sweetie from Access Language School, and I'm here with a golden phrase that you can use in your IELTS speaking test. Most people answer this question as recently, the latest good decision that I take, but you can make your answer more perfect by using the golden phrase up to the minute. All the words are hyphenated with a single tone. It has the same meaning as that of a recent or latest. You can answer that question as the most up to the minute that I had made during the pandemic situation is to stay indoors. So make use of this golden phrase and increase your score in the IELTS test. Thank you.